Today, you might know Max Keiser as an erratic Bitcoiner who's often gone viral for his antics and unpredictable behavior via social media.
Go ahead, stand up! Stand up, come on! Stand up!
Yeah,
Wait, come back! Take your stand up! Anytime it's done to people, don't you understand the risk?
But what if I told you in the early 2000s, Max Keiser would launch what was referred to as a financial assault on some of the biggest corporations in the world? In 2002, Max Keiser, alongside some high net worth individuals, started KarmabanQ, the hedge fund. But KarmabanQ was far from a typical hedge fund. Hedge funds typically take long leverage bets on equities like stocks in an attempt to short a company and receive massive profits in doing so. When shorting a company, you are betting for the stock price to go down, thus the value of the company going down. So let's say Walmart stock is $100. You could take out a short position on Walmart for a date 3 months from now that Walmart stock will be $60. If that 3-month mark arrives and Walmart stock is $60 or less, you effectively can sell the $60 stock for the $100 you bought it for and make a $40 profit on every share you own. Now, every time a share of a company is sold, there's a buyer on the other end. So when you sell that $100 stock, someone is forced to buy Walmart's $60 stock at your $100 premium, which would result in them losing $40, essentially making them buy Walmart stock for more than it's worth. Now, to really move a stock in either direction, you need a large amount of capital, as most companies have billions of shares of stock. In this case, Max Keiser made a bet against large corporations like Coca-Cola, ExxonMobil, Starbucks, McDonald's, and Walmart.
The concern, Charlie, is I really believe that the environment has maybe 10, 20 years tops. And so I'm looking out 20 years and I'm thinking, how can I contribute what I know to the system to stop what I see as an inevitability, which is that the environment really starts to collapse around around our ears, around our eyes. I'm trying to, that's my concern. I'm really concerned about this.
That sounds very good. Are you making money out of this?
Absolutely not.
No money.
No, it's a labor of love, and KarmabanQ.com is the address, and you go to the site, check it out, and I think people will be amazed at how much power they actually do have.
KarmabanQ, according to Max Keiser, was designed to create corporate losses and generate profit from the fallout, stating that these companies have terrible carbon footprints, underpay workers in poor countries while having less than reputable working conditions. One of the high net worth individuals to join Max Keiser in this attempt to overthrow these companies is a man named Zach Goldsmith, a member of the House of Lords of the United Kingdom, son of billionaire businessman Sir James Goldsmith. Zach ran a British environmental journal turned magazine called The Ecologist that addressed a wide range of environmental subjects and promoted an ecological systems thinking approach. Zach Goldsmith said he'd hoped the hedge fund would work by harnessing the immensely powerful market to force honesty and real accounting into the share prices of companies. Along with the hedge fund itself, KarmabanQ worked with many eco-friendly and social activists to help spread the boycott. KarmabanQ.com, which is no longer active, was a website that tracked the public reputation of socially suspect corporations in an effort to calculate when they would be most vulnerable to a boycott. It offered a platform for activists to inform each other and organize boycotts against these companies. KarmabanQ.com had a rating system called the Boycott Vulnerability Ratio, in which they took a company's market cap and divided it by its sales. Whichever company had the highest BVR, the activists working with KarmabanQ would put all their energy into boycotting that company. KarmabanQ was involved with multiple large investors who would help allocate capital to short companies that would be chosen from the website. A portion of this money made from shorting the companies would go towards victims of the American business model, people who have been injured by the targeted corporations. In 2005, KarmabanQ targeted Ryanair, an Irish airline. According to Max Keiser, Ryanair was included in the index after activist groups in Britain launched a campaign for wheelchair access by the airline. Also, the airline industry does not pay VAT on aviation fuel. A spokeswoman for Ryanair in 2005 said, "Since they put Ryanair on their list, our share price has gone up 10%. We are always delighted to be a part of a list which includes Coca-Cola, Starbucks, and Walmart." It seems like the bad press actually helped Ryanair's stock. Although this was a headline approximately 12 years from the attempt to boycott the airline. And again, just 2 years later in 2019, staff even telling the individual, "Find another airline," after refusing to take the wheelchair aboard. A year prior, in 2004, KarmabanQ targeted Coca-Cola for a boycott due to human rights violations, health concerns, theft of water from the poorest countries in the world, and groundwater pollution. The plan had 3 simple steps. Stop drinking Coke, register your Coca-Cola boycott vote at KarmabanQue.com, tell your family and friends about the boycott. Essentially, the plan was for you to stop drinking Coke, spread the word to your friends and family, and have them do the same, thus losing Coca-Cola money and bringing down the stock price. The more the stock price went down, the more people would sell. KarmaBank would short the Coca-Cola stock, which in this case was $41, in hopes that it would reach as low as $22, but it never reached that low. Although the stock did fall approximately 15% from late August 2004 when the boycott was launched to late October 2004. In an interview with Playboy France, Max Keiser stated that the plan for KarmaBank was to bring balance into the market. True balance can only be achieved when all factors such as human, social, and environmental are taken into account. Although Exxon was initially one of the companies KarmaBank wanted to target, Max would say that Exxon would be more difficult as they do not sell directly to consumer. Ultimately, KarmaBank wasn't effective enough to do any long-term damage to these companies, due to these companies being such integral parts of people's lives at this point and not enough incentive to switch from what people already knew. It seems KarmaBank could not get the traction it needed simply due to the powerhouses it was up against.
KarmaBank is basically the middleman. We're the center resource for hedge funds looking for stocks to sell short and for activists looking for the best campaigns to get involved with. And we maintain that market, if you will, and that's our role. We're the middleman. We're the broker of dissent, basically.